Hello दोस्तों hello friends we are creator being storage to live Kapwing trust by millions of users. Kapwing makes content creation and video editing smart, accessible, and controversial. So let's start for video editing and first of all, we are going from recording in publishing in minute, not a hour. So with Kapwing, you can record, edit, and collaborate on videos in single innovative tools. Single innovative, single innovative, single innovative tools. Single innovative tools. So upload and convert video in second. With a media library you can upload video from anywhere and confident that you all clips will work on any device. Kapwing support a wide array of file formats including MOV, PNG, GIF, AVI, webcam, and more. Kapwing also support full uh, transcoding and conversation to optimize your file for the best possible editing video experience. Adjust time and possible clips all in one surface. The timeline in Kapwing make it easy to split, rechange videos, trim for footage, and much more. Drag to and the file move the around on timeline, then drag to responsible, then all the same editor surface. Capine give you the freedom to edit video in way of make the most sense of for your workflow. Smart video editing made for a more than creators with the helpful artificial intelligence can make video editing process faster. Features such as auto generation for subtitle, removing background in one click, and smart transaction, and much more. Much more. Have many ideas and smart task the hour into the just a minute. Imagine one central place for all of your turn dreamly really uh, come true. With Copying you can upload image, video, GIF, and all into single workplace, create and edit content, then send to share and collaborate with the terms. So signing in your workplace and start from searches choose for a professional template. Get started with your video and choosing for thousand of thousand of uh, uh, choosing thousands of uh, free professionally designed content templates. And if you want more, search millions of regularity free image, GIF, video assets to add your project. Discover video template, your favorite app, all one place. Copying work similarly with your favorite app like Google Drive, Photos, Unsplash, Giphy, Pixel, and much more. Access content directly. Copying video editor and edit your content like never before. Join a community of video creators just like, ask questions, share content, and learn how to other video creators are trying, growing, and scaling their uh, YouTube. We product timely video every week about content creation and video trends for over 100k subscribers. uh, Resources, when hundred of articles about video editing and content creation. You can find a tutorial for everything that you might need to create your video. Join our Discord and connect with creators just like you who use keeping copying every day. You is a good company. Your is a good company. Millions of users of thousands of organization trust copying with their content creations. Workplace, other building technology company help creators in a long run, not just to make quick bucks. Contribution Google, Trustwallet, Captera. So learn more about roles. I hope enjoy this video. So okay, bye.